guys? We're back again with another market breakdown, market review slash market breakdown. So yesterday we had some quite few pairs, and today the market has moved a lot. The market has moved a lot, and today we have more. So today we had NZ Decade. We had NZ Decade. Sorry about that. We had we have we had NZ Decade, of which NZ Decade we said it's gonna break structure, come back, retest an area, go down. We Let me not say we actually. I I predicted that NZD will break structure, come back and retest this area and continue to go down. Or NZD will come back to this area, retest it, and then continue to go down. And unfortunately, I did not trust this level. Unfortunately for me, I did not trust this level enough for me to be able to take this trade and continue with it downwards because the flag for me wasn't well developed, and I don't really like to trade these little flags. They carry a lot of liquidity for me, and this one worked. This one worked. Fair play, but for me personally, my style of trading, I don't really like to trade small flags. So if you got in here, put your stop above, and then you are pretty much in a good trade. Maybe 1R, 1.2R, 1.5R, depending on how big is your stop loss. But for me, I wanted this level for NZD. So for now, I'm just gonna sit back, watch how this pair performs. So we go to another pair, which is Euro USD. Euro USD is an interesting one also because yesterday I also had two possibilities here on Euro USD. The first possibilities was structure, price break structure here, continue to go up, retest, continue to go up, and I was looking for that retest here because there's a trend line here, and then also a retest for price to continue go up. But I did say I am more inclined to the side of price going down because price went up, came to retest, it went up, and then it came to retest, and it failed to break. It failed to break the structure. I did say that yesterday, and then it came back to break the the low that was supposed to break the high. So that's why I was more interested in sells more than buys in Euro USD. And around it was it was midday, yeah, around midday, I saw this opportunity. I was like, no way, I am getting into this trade. So I am in Euro USD right now. I took Euro USD around like 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 3 p.m. South African time because price broke out of this trend line, came back to retest this area. Some may say this is a head and shoulder, and then this is a shoulder. So price came to retest the shoulder, or some may say this is an area where price came to retest it. Whatever, man, whatever. I'm just looking at structure and how the price performs around that specific area. So we'll see what happens on Euro USD. Oh, sorry about that. And then also USD CAD. There is no need for me to explain the whole structure of this one because I did yesterday, and I did say on USD CAD price broke structure, came back to retest it, and I'm looking for price. If price wants to continue to go up, looking for price to break this structure, and it looks like it will. At the moment, it looks like it will come back to retest it, and then this is where I'll be looking for my buys to continue with the price. This is where I'll be looking to take my buy around these areas here, putting my stop, and my target would depend where I put it. GBP USD, I found this later yesterday when I was analyzing again. I was like, no way, there is something interesting about GBP USD, of which I didn't see on the weekend. There is this trend line that's from this side, prices going up, prices continuing to break structure, and then price came back to retest, and this is a strong level here. Unfortunately, I missed this trade here. I did not take this trade here, and this would have been a good trade because we have this strong level here where price has been testing. Where's my where price has been testing this area, testing, testing, and then it would, once price does this, it shows that this level is strong. And then if I was trading at this time, this would have been a good trade. But that's all in the past now, focusing on the right now price, which is GBP USD broke structure, and now it's looking to come back and retest this area. So I'll be looking for buys here, and some people may say, and some people may say, why are you selling Euro USD and buying GBP USD? Because these two pairs, they almost move the same. But for me, I'm not really a big fan of a correlation, because let's say for example, I sell Euro USD and I sell GBP USD based off the judgment that okay, Euro USD is selling, so automatically GBP USD is also gonna sell. No, I do not subscribe to layer knowledge. I look at the price, what the price is doing, and this has worked well for me because let's say for example in this situation, if I take buys for GBP USD and let's say I've already taken sells on Euro USD, let's say they both go down, I win one trade, which is Euro USD, I lose one, and my RR is over 1.2. So that means I gain something there. Or let's say they go up, they both go up, then that means I am winning GBP USD and losing Euro USD, of which one loss for me and one win. That will be good in terms of my overall my overall winning percentage. So I just look at the structure, what the structure is doing, and then take trades based off that. Okay, let's move on. Gold, I am trying to, since gold made its all-time high, I am trying to stay a little bit away from it at the moment. But yesterday I saw something on gold. I don't think I was gonna take this trade, by the way. I was just looking at gold. The gold has this strong level here where price has been coming to test this, test, and then price, there's this trend line, price broke out this trend line, and I was looking for gold to come back and test again this strong level, this level that has been already tested, for gold to continue go up. But I don't think I would have taken this trade. I'm trying to stay away from gold as much as possible until, for me personally, until gold um moves the way I like gold moving. For now, I feel like gold is too volatile for me. Okay, move on to this is also an interesting one. AUD USD. Okay, there's no need for me to explain this because I have already did in my last video. Broke structure, came back to retest the neckline. No, not actually neckline, the inverted shoulder. Then price went up, and I think I took this trade. I ate here. I took this trade from here to around these areas, that not all the way here. So now, you AUD USD has this strong area here with imbalance on the 4-hour time frame. With this imbalance on the 4-hour time frame, so now I'm looking for buys here, but not as in like, okay, now price is here, so I should take my buys. No, I also wait for confirmation. So this, don't be like, oh, okay, he has already put this, so that means he said his buys. No, I also wait for confirmation. So I'll wait for confirmation on AUD USD to give me buys from this area going up. And then CAD JPY, I also saw this later yesterday. Could you broke there's this big structure here. We broke structure, and then we broke this structure here. There is a strong level that has been tested several times. Price broke this, came back to retest this area, and now price is shooting up. Price is shooting up. So now what I'll be looking for here, for price to come back, retest these areas here, and then continue to go up. This is where I'll be taking my trade, around these areas here, and then to continue with the price. To continue with the price. I am not a hero. I don't like to trade against the trend because I'm not the hero. And then GBP, JPY, no. This one I was just analyzing, but I have nothing here. I have nothing. NZDCHF. Oh, okay. NZDCHF is also another trade that I am in. Price went up, broke structure. There's a huge flag going on, and now I was looking like the idea of price breaking again of this trend line, come back to retest the areas, was enough for me to say, okay, let's take the trade. It was enough for me to say, okay, let's take the trade. So this is a simple one. Break structure, come back to retest these areas. I like this also. That's why my level is here, not maybe around here. I like this area. So on SZD CHF, I'll be looking to see how price behaves. So yeah, I think that's it for me today.